there, I'm Kristen. Welcome to FLOFICIENT. This is Climb, your 15-minute core and cardio workout. So the name of the game today is 15. We'll either do 15 reps or 15 seconds in every exercise. All you need for today's workout is your tennis shoes, your mat, and your body weight. So let's go ahead and get started here with 15 seconds jogging in place to warm things up. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and go for it. Just nice and light on your toes here. Pumping your arms a little bit. Lifting from your core as much as you can. And then eventually, as you kind of get dialed into this rhythm here, try driving your knees up just a little bit more. Good. And time. That was your first 15 seconds. Next exercise will be ski hop. So you've got two options here. A little lower impact is just to step nice and tight, back and forth 15 times, or you can hop with me, nice and tight, feet together 15 times. Yeah, so here we go. Let's lift up from the core, elbows tucked in, ready, set, hop. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. All right, stand up nice and tall. Feet about hips distance or a little bit wider. Now we've got 15 squats. So rock in one hand, paper in the other. Just make sure you sit back as far as you can. Here we go. Sit low on the inhale. Push into your heels, come up on the exhale. Use your breath, it helps. Sit back and up. That's 1, back and up. 2, back and up. 3, back and up. 4, back and up. 5, back and up. 6, back, up. 7, back, up. You're halfway, back and up. 9, back and up. 10, keep going. 11, that's 12, 3 more. 13, 14, and last one, 15. Very nice. Okay, go ahead and have a seat on your mat. Roll all the way down. We've got 15 crunches. You can do hands behind your head for a little more resistance, as long as you don't pull on your neck, or arms across the chest if that feels a little bit more comfortable. So let's get in position. Set up your arms as you prefer. Toes are forward. We're tucking the tailbone under, pulling the navel down so your back is flat against the mat the whole time. Here we go. Deep breath in. Crunch up on your exhale. Down and up. That's 1, down, up, 2, down, up. Keep them slow. Down, up. 4, down, up. 5, down, up. 6, down, up. 7, down, up. 8, down, up. 9, down, up. 10, keep going. 11, 12, 13, almost there. 14, and last one for 15. Nice. Go ahead and roll down with control and then bring your arms down by your sides. We've got heel taps now, so you can widen your feet just a little bit. We're going to side bend right to left, hovering above the mat. So draw the navel down, lift the head, neck, and shoulders so your arms hover a couple inches above the floor. We bend to the right, tap the right heel on the inhale, bend to the left, tap the left heel on your exhale. Back and forth we go. So right, left. 1, right, left. 2, right, left. 3, right, left. 4, right, left. 5, right, left. 6, right, left. 7, right, left. 8, right, left. 9, right, left. 10. You're doing great. Just keep it up. That's 11 and 12, 13, almost there. 14, one more, and 15. Awesome job. Find center. Roll all the way down. Rest. Let your muscles soften for just a sec. And then one more thing for the time being on your back. So it's going to be some kind of hold. You've got 2 options. A little more agreeable might be a tabletop hold with your arms by your sides, tailbone tucked under, and then your feet floating with your shins parallel to the floor and your knees stacked over your hips. So 15 seconds here, or 15 seconds in a hollow hold with me. Here we go. Set yourself up. Breathe for 15 seconds, starting right now. We're pulling up from the core. Now, if you get tired and need to take a break, totally fine. You can always roll down. Good. We're already about halfway. Just keep it up. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come all the way down. Whew, relax. Take one deep breath. Very nice. And then go ahead and make your way up to a seated position, and let's flip ourselves over into tabletop. So now your arms will be stationary. We're going to lift our knees so they hover, and then tap one foot to either side of your mat. So let's get in position here as we lift up from the belly. Take a deep breath in, tuck your toes under, exhale, pull the knees up about an inch. And then here we go. Take the right foot off the mat, then tap it back in, and then your left foot, tap it back in. That's one rep. We've got 15. Here we go. Right, center, left, center. 1, right, center, left, center. 2, right, center, left, center. 3, right, center, left, center. Keep going just like that. That was 4. Now you're at 5. Good. 6, look forward. 7. Doing great. That's 8. Keep it slow. 9. 10. You should feel your body heating up as you do this. That's 11. Good. 12. Keep going. Right, center, left, center. 13. Right, center, left, center. 14. Right, center, left, center. 15. Very nice. Set your knees down. Sit back on your heels just for a moment. Give your shoulders a little break. And then let's go ahead and stand up on your feet. You've got 2 options for this next one too. We're going to go out and in. So that's a little bit higher impact. Or you can step side to side as quickly as you can for a little bit lower impact. So we've got 15 seconds. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. You step or hop in and out. Your elbows are just nice and tight, so your upper body is mostly stationary, and you can focus on what's happening in your lower body. Last 3, 2, 1, and time. Awesome. Okay, now we've got a 15-second hold in plank. This can be on your elbows, on your hands, or with your knees up or down, depending on your comfort level. So let's go ahead and find our position here. Whatever plank you prefer. In 3, 2, 1. We're holding and breathing. So 15 seconds, pull up from the navel, pull up from your rib cage. It's a lot like your hollow hold from before, or a tabletop hold from before. We're just doing it in reverse. Good, almost there. Last 5, 4, good, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's pick up to downward facing dog from here. Look forward towards your thumbs. Take a deep breath in. Walk or hop your feet to the top of your mat. Forward fold. Tuck your chin now. Slowly roll up and roll your shoulders back at the top. Very nice. Okay, now let's work on a little bit of lunges. Get back into your legs here. So right foot forward, left foot back, high lunge position. Your heel is lifted. We've got a rock in one hand again, paper in the other. We're just going to go down and up by tucking the tailbone under and dropping that back knee about halfway to the floor. 15. Here we go. Ready, set. Down and up. 1, down and up. 2, down. Up. 3, down. Up. 4, down. Up. 5, down. Up. 6, down. Up. 7, down. Up. 8, good, down. Up. 9, down. Up. 10, you're almost there. Down. Up. 11, keep going. That's 12. 13. 14, last one. And up. That's 15. Nice work. Go ahead and lean a little bit forward. Big step. We'll come back to your left leg in just a second. For now, find tabletop position on your hands and knees. So our arms are going to do the same thing no matter what, and then you've got two options for your legs. So we start with the hands in the center of the mat. From here, we step or move the right hand out, just like you did before with your feet. So it's off the mat, come back to center, and then left and center. So this is option one right here in tabletop. Option two, you can walk your hands a little bit farther forward and shift forward, so it's a modified plank. And then option three, knees up, high plank with me. Here we go, 15, ready, set. So right hand, center, left, center. 1, right, center, left, center. 2, right, center, left, center. 3, right, center, left, center. 4, right, center, left, center. 5, right, center, left, center. 6, right, center, left, center. 7, right, center, left, center. You're halfway. Keep going. That's 9, right, center, left, center. 10, right, center, left, center. 11, right, center, left, center. 12, right, center. Keep looking up. 13, almost there. Good. 14, here's your last one. Make it good. And back to center for 15. Awesome. Bring your knees down. Take one breath. Then we come back up to the feet. We'll get your lunges in on your second side. So left foot forward, right foot back, rock and paper. Here we go. Ready, set. Bend the back knee, tuck the tailbone. Inhale, come back up, exhale. That's 1. Down and up. 2, down and up. 3, down, up. 4, down, up. 5, down, up. 6, down, up. 7, down, up. 8, down, up. 9, down, up. 10, down, up. 11, down, up. You're doing great. 3 more. Good. Again, and up. Last one right here. That's 15. Awesome. Relax your arms. Lean a little forward. Deep breath in. Exhale, big step. Feet together. Shake out your legs. 15 jumping jacks. Here we go. Feet together. Arms by your sides. Let's hop out together for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now pick up the pace so it's a little quicker. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very nice. Okay, find the short edge of your mat here. We've got 15 seconds of karaoke. We're just going to use the length of your mat, so hopefully 1 pass that direction, then reverse your direction, come back to where you started. So elbows wide, palms are about parallel to the floor. We start by stepping the right leg across, left leg out, right leg behind, left leg out, and then just repeat that, and then other direction, yeah? So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. We're rotating through the hips as we cross. So this is a core exercise as much as it's fancy footwork and cardio. Good, almost there. And time. Okay, relax for just a second. You've got 10 seconds to catch your breath. We're gonna come right back in for 1 more 15-second interval. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Karaoke. Good. You're doing great. This is your last thing of the day, so stick with it. Remember to breathe. Get that rotation in there. We're trying to finish as strong as we possibly can. Almost there. And time. Awesome. Find the center of your mat. Feet are about hips distance apart. Easy vinyasa. Inhale, arms come up. Fold on your exhale. Inhale, take a half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise. Arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Great work today. Make sure you take plenty of time to cool down, stretch, drink some water. And when you're ready, I look forward to seeing you for more classes just like this one inside FLOFICIENT.